Want to make it easier for friends and people you may know to find you on Snapchat? I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Quick Add on your account. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main camera screen, tap your profile icon at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your Snap code, friends, and other account details. Now, in the top right corner of your profile page, tap the gear icon to open the Settings menu. This is where all your account preferences are stored. Scroll down slowly until you reach the section labeled See Me in Quick Add or See Me in Find Friends. The exact name can vary depending on your app version. Tap on it to view the setting. Here you'll see a toggle switch next to Show Me in Quick Add. If it's currently off, tap to turn it on. When enabled, this feature allows Snapchat to suggest your account to other users who might know you, such as people with your number saved or mutual friends. And that's it. You've now enabled Quick Add on Snapchat, making it easier for others to find and connect with you.